Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the 100% detox Musk Melon Juice, which is best had during breakfast. For this, I'm going to take one medium-sized musk melon and I'm going to cut it in the center and scoop out the seed portion right from the middle of it. You can see this is very important, otherwise this gives the juice a bitter taste. After removing the seeds, we now chop it into 4 or 5 pieces like you see in the video, and then remove the skin completely. This can be done using a knife or a peeler. It's generally rough and can be removed very easily. Post this, we add this to a mixer grinder and top it up with some jaggery. Here this is completely optional, we can also use honey. We then top it up with some milk. Low fat milk is preferable. We add water to it to completely submerge the fruits. We top it up with some cardamom powder, and now we are ready to grind this juice completely. The juice is now ready. The 100% detox Musk Melon Juice is now ready to be had. Don't forget to like and subscribe.